Hello everyone, my name is Rosalinda Gentine Randongkir. You can call me Ocha or Rosa. I'm from Biak, Papua, graduate of SMA Negeri 1 Biak. I stay in Malang now. Um, I tell you my journey after graduating from high school. After graduating After graduating from high school in 2024, I had big dream. I wanted to join the selection for COAT. Since I was young, I admire female soldiers who are strong, disciplined, and brave in serving their country. Because of that, after finishing high school, I decided to train and take the COAT selection test. Preparing for the test was not easy. I had to prepare my physical strength and my mental condition and also many administrative requirements. Every day I tried to train myself and discipline so I ready to test. At the time I was very excited because it was one of the dreams I really wanted to achieve it. However, life does not always go according to our plan. After going through several stages of the selection process, I finally had to accept the reality that I did not pass the COAT selection. I felt very sad and disappointed. The dream that I had hoped for could not come true at the moment. I was confused about why I should do the next after the failure. Even though I fell down, I tried not to give up. I started to think that maybe God and another plan for my life. With support from my family and people around me, I decided to continue my education by going to college. I chose to study at Asia Institute Malang in Malang. At first, my goal was simple: it to continue learning and find a new path for my future. But something unexpected happened when I was expected into the international business management class. When I first knew that I was in the class, I felt very surprised and grateful. I never imagined that after filling the COAT selection, I would get the opportunity to study in a new environment with new selection. In the class, I met many new friends and learned many new things about business management and how to think more broadly. This experience made me realize that failure is not the end of everything. Sometimes failure is just the beginning of difference, but I believe that everything that happens in my life is the blessing and part of God's plan. Filling the COAT selection might be God's way of leading me to another path that I had never imagined before. Now, I continue my study with enthusiasm and hope. I want to learn seriously, develop my abilities, and prepare myself for a better future. I believe that every process I go through today is part of my journey tomorrow's success. Even though my previous dream did not come true, I do not regret trying. This experience made me stronger and helped me experience every opportunity that comes into my life. I hope that my journey at Asian Institute, especially in the International Business Management class, will be the beginning of the bright future. I believe that if I keep training, praying, and never giving up, God will open the way for my success. From this experience, I learned an important lesson. Also, times life does not follow our plan, but is always follow God's better plan. So, thank you, you to God and to all who have story of experience. God bless you. Thank you.